Hello, friends. How are you all? I hope you are happy and healthy. Friends, this Dashera holidays we have gone to Munnar and Tekdi, and in Tekdi we had taken a homestay which was really very unique and magical. We were hosted by Mr. Afsal and his friend Sophie. This was having two floors house, independent house. First floor was meant for guests. These are the rooms you see, and in front of this we were having lot of greeneries, and it was very neat and clean. This is the entry to the floor where we were staying. And roof was made like a garden where our host was staying, and that was also a reception area. So let's go to the top floor, the roof. So this is Sophie sitting doing some work, and this is the kitchen. On the roof they were having their house, and the common area where guests whenever they are free they can come and enjoy. This is like one of the guests. She was reading some book, and she's from UK. She became our friend. She is Caitlin. See the hanging plant. This is the plant of coconut. From coconut they have grown the plant. We were seeing so many other plants also. Very uniquely they were maintained, and they were like, whenever I see them I was just struck by their beauty and their uniqueness. Caitlin is reading some books. The painting of eye, so nice. And this is one of the face they have created with the wires, and there are so many. See, this is one lady view you can see from the wire, and see 2-3 faces with the wire they have made, and all the features you can see of the eyes, nose, lips, everything you can make it out. See the eyeballs, everything is nicely they have made, and all faces are different, all are unique. Seeing them you can make out that artist is very passionate about the art. They are so involved in this. They have made so many things like this eggs with the coddy they have made, and mushrooms they have developed as showpieces. So unique concept, right? I hope you all agree, right? So let's see what's there next. These are the flowers and many plants they have grown. The coconut, it is growing the plant like that. I have seen even in shoes they have grown the plants. Really unique concept. So many unique items I was seeing there, and very beautifully maintained, very clean. One more egg. See, so nice feeling once you see them. No, this is one more mushroom, and now we'll see the painting on the wall. Such a colorful and very clean painting you see there. Now we are going down to the first floor where our rooms were there. Few rooms only were there, not like so many rooms, and we find so much rush. It is not like this. I think hardly 4 to 5 rooms were there as I understand. And this is the greenery. See, nicely maintained, and these are the rooms. Even in front of our rooms also many flowers I see, and plants also. And this is the way going out, but before that I'll show you my room, my balcony. This is my balcony. I'm taking to my room, and you see the room, such a beautiful room, and they have decorated rooms also. I really love the decoration and the beauty. They tried their best to maintain it. So I did not want to go anywhere, so I just came up and just spending time with myself, because it was really lovely to sit there rather than going out. That's what I felt. And I saw one book, that is tarot book, tarot reading book. I just wanted to know what is there inside. Gone through few of the pages and learned something out of it. It was really nice. Stay there. Now this is the view, evening view. The lights they have maintained in the corridor, colorful lights. Really loved being there. A huge thanks to Afsal and team for giving such an experience. I'll share the link of the homestay. Thank you so much guys for being with me. Take care. Bye bye.